Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November in 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.64. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.77%. This results in an average return of 0.23% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further growth within this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 9% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 5% and 10.5%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of around 23.7% over the next year, with anticipated returns between 11 and 6300% and 25 and 2900%. This implies a projected price range of $581.16 to $652.28 by the end of the year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for QQQ. The price of the QQQ exchange-traded fund experienced a decline of 0.341% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 10th, 2024. The price moved from $522.38 to $520.60. During this day of trading, the ETF fluctuated by 1.20%, reaching a low of $519.17 and a high of $525.38. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.77% over the past 2 weeks. Volume on the last day saw an increase of 4 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning signal, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 22 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $11.52 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $526.72, while the lowest price was $394.41. Currently, the price stands 1.16%, or $6.12, below the 52-week high of $526.72, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. QQQ continues to show strength as we enter December, displaying promising momentum in line with seasonal trends historically favorable for equities. The Nasdaq 100 index saw a solid gain at the month's start, with QQQ reflecting an upward trajectory that indicates widespread investor confidence in major tech stocks driving the market. Recent reports suggest that QQQ is currently in its 4th longest period trading above the 200-day moving average, suggesting a sustained bullish trend. This could indicate a strong price performance in the short term, as investor sentiment remains high amid renewed interest in technology and artificial intelligence sectors. However, this speculative fervor also echoes the late 1990s bubble, highlighting potential risks for investors concerned about overheating in the market. Additionally, with Invesco expanding its QQQ Innovation Suite, the introduction of new exchange-traded funds, like the Invesco Top QQQ ETF and the QQQ Low Volatility ETF, signals a commitment to growth and diversification, likely attracting more investors and further supporting QQQ's market position in the long run. Analysts are optimistic, projecting that Wall Street exchange-traded funds could maintain their upward momentum into 2025, which would likely benefit QQQ. However, investors must remain vigilant for market corrections that could affect short-term valuations. Overall, QQQ's current positioning suggests a favorable outlook, although monitoring market conditions will be crucial as we move forward. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, which presents a positive outlook. As the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $520.96. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $505.31. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by 1.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 65 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $496.57, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund demonstrates very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. During the previous day, the fund moved $6.21 between its high and low, or 1.20%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 0.85%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, let's first examine some key fundamental data. To begin, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important figure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A lower PE ratio may suggest that the market has low expectations for the company's future, or it might indicate that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, representing a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 522.38. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 496.57. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $505.08, reflecting a decrease of 2.98%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily movements, which translates to a low level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that this could be an opportune time to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of December, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by $1.12, starting at a price of $521.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.